Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a short one, but it is a declutter and organize of my sister's bathroom, closet, and I hope that you will get some motivation from this because this was definitely a messy closet and it was a task to get organized, but we did it because we took everything out and we got it done, and I am so proud of her because she let so much stuff go. So if you are needing some motivation today to declutter and organize, whether it's a closet, a junk drawer, whatever it may be, I hope that you can get that motivation today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you enjoyed it and would like to see more of this kind of content in the future. And also, if you're a new subscriber here, please stop by in the comments and say hi.
Without you by my side, let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand.
So here's what the before of the closet looked like. Really unstructured and messy. And here is the after. I love the white bins. The majority of the bins that we got were from the Dollar Tree, so they were just $1. And the ones that weren't were $3 that she got at another store. And I think everything just tied together so well. Everything had a place. Her husband has a basket, she has a basket for her stuff, and everything is just easily accessible. I love all of these storage containers that she got with the lids on them. I believe she got 10 for $9 at Walmart, and we used it for storing medicine and travel supplies and all of the little things that accumulate in our linen closet. It just needed to be corralled, and so those were perfect. And here's just a little bit of a close-up of how everything looked. I think everything turned out great and she was thrilled with the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.